Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Fearless. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. Subscribe now and let's make it fun together.
The Mirror of Many Worlds. Chapter 1. The Mirror Arrives. Emily was a quiet girl. She was 14 years old and lived with her mother in a small house on Willow Street. One day, her mother brought home a strange mirror. It was tall, with a dark wooden frame. The wood had strange symbols, stars, circles, and old patterns. That night, Emily looked into the mirror. She saw herself, normal, but then something changed. The next night, the mirror showed a room that was not hers. The walls were yellow, not blue. The bed was on the wrong side, and the girl in the mirror wore a red dress. Emily didn't have a red dress. It was not a dream. Each night, the mirror showed a new version of her, in a different world, a different life. Chapter 2. The Girl in the Red Dress. Emily kept watching. The girl in the red dress looked happy. Her room was bright and clean. Her eyes sparkled. Emily felt something strange. Was this who she could have been? She told her best friend Mia. Mia didn't believe her until she came over. That night, they both saw it. The mirror showed Mia too, in a different life, a doctor wearing a white coat. "This is not just a mirror," Emily said. "It's a window to another world." Later that night, something new happened. The mirror didn't show a person. It showed a glowing door. The door opened slowly. A cold wind came from the glass. Emily touched the mirror. Her hand passed through it. Chapter 3. The First Door. Emily stepped forward. One foot went through the glass, then the next. Suddenly, she was not in her room anymore. She was in a hallway, long, with mirrors on both sides. Each mirror showed a different version of her. In one, she was rich. In another, she was famous. In one, she was crying. Then she saw a door. It said, "Enter one truth." Emily opened it. She walked into a world where everything was quiet, too quiet. Chapter 4. A World Without Sound. In this world, Emily was wearing blue. The sky was dark. There were no cars, no birds, no people, and no sound. She saw a version of herself walking alone. That Emily looked lost. She didn't speak. She didn't hear anything. When Emily tried to talk to her, she didn't answer. Emily looked around. There were signs, but no writing. She realized, in this world, there was no language, no words, no voice. She stayed for a few minutes, then went back through the door. In the mirror room again, Emily sat down. What if I got stuck there? She thought. Chapter 5. The Mirror Breaks. Back in her real room, Emily told Mia everything. Mia was scared. "You should stop," she said. "What if one day you can't come back?" That night, Emily went to the mirror one more time. She wanted to see one more world. But something went wrong. She stepped into a world that was dark and broken. Fires burned in the distance. Buildings were falling. The other Emily was running from something. Emily tried to go back, but the mirror behind her shattered. She screamed. She was trapped. Chapter 6. A Friend from the Other Side. In that broken world, Emily found help. A boy named Leo. He had been trapped for weeks. "There are more like us," he said. "People from other worlds who came through mirrors. They hid in empty houses. They shared food. Emily and Leo looked for another way out. One day, they found a mirror that was still whole, but it didn't show her room. It showed Mia. Emily shouted, but Mia could not hear her. Leo had an idea. "What if she can fix your mirror from your side?" Emily hoped. She left a note on the glass, using steam. Chapter 7. The World Where She Never Was. While Leo and Emily waited, the mirror showed her a new world, one where Emily never existed. In this world, her mother was sad and lonely. The house was empty. Shadow the cat was gone. Mia never smiled. Emily felt her heart break. "I matter," she whispered. "Even if I feel small sometimes, I matter." She touched the glass. "I want to go home." Suddenly, the mirror shimmered. A crack appeared, but it was opening, not breaking. Mia had done something. The door back was opening. Chapter 8. The Choice. Emily looked at Leo. "You can come with me," she said. Leo smiled. "This is not my world. I need to find my own." They hugged. "I hope you find home too," Emily said. She stepped into the light. Her room appeared. Everything looked normal, but the mirror was glowing, and her mother was knocking on the door. "Emily, are you okay?" Emily smiled. "Yes, I'm home." But the mirror was still alive, still showing doors. One final door glowed. Chapter 9. One Mirror, One Truth. Emily walked to the mirror one last time. She saw all her other selves. Some were rich. Some were poor. Some were kind. Some were angry. Some were happy. Some were broken. Then they all faded. The mirror showed one word. You. Emily understood. She had seen many versions of herself, but only one version was real, the one who made choices, the one who was learning, the one who was growing. Not the perfect one, not the rich one, not the famous one, just her. Emily smiled. She covered the mirror with a cloth. She didn't need it anymore. She was ready to live her own story. The End. Crescent Moon. Thank you for watching until the end, my friend. Your support is motivating.